have my power inverter and the watt meter hooked up. Okay, as you can see, it's drawing about 3 watts at idle because I have the power inverter plugged in. You see the power indicator's on. This is a 12 volt to 110 with 2 USB outputs. And like I said, at idle it's drawing about 3 watts. Batteries stabilize around 12.07, 12.08 volts, drawing 0.22, 23 amps. I have a fan plugged in there. It's a 110 volt fan, oscillating floor fan at idle with it just being plugged in. Pull it up to about 7 watts at idle. The lowest setting, 56.8, 57 watts, 58 watts, 57. And even on the highest setting, still pulling less than 60 watts. This is a 150 watt AC inverter. First real test, also a demonstration for this, the VoltCube. It's got a very tiny and very quiet, yet efficient brushless fan on the inside. I believe it is a brushless fan. And here I have a 18-inch, 25 watt blacklight fluorescent tube style. Here's the readout on the watt meter, so you guys can get an accurate idea. I'm consistently running this for probably close to 4.5 hours or so now, I would say. The 150 watt inverter. And here we can see the readout. Voltage has been steadily dropping over time. 62.8 watt hours, 5.447 amp hours drawn. And this is running the power inverter, running a USB 2.1 amp output for the charger, as well as the AC 110 output to the 25 watt 18-inch fluorescent blacklight inline VoltCube AC inverter, AC-DC inverter, or DC to AC rather, and the Tenergy watt meter, which also gives you all the readout of, I think it's 8 different types of electrical data, amp hours, watt hours, maximum watts. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more upcoming updates and tests.